Hi guys, back with another video. I'm going to be mounting the Western Digital 1TB Black Edition, the SATA 3 revision, into one of the Antec 1200 cages. Just thought I'd do a quick video on it. Nothing too difficult, but someone might want to watch it, never know. So I've got all my grounding straps and things handy, so we should be covered from any ESD. So get into it. I just realised there's a little tab that you can rip, so I will do that. There we go. There you go. .64 meg cache, black. There's some silica gel in the bag. Don't need that, whatever you do. So yeah, basically I'm going to mount it in the top slot here. So just slide it in. Find the holes for it to line up to. There we go. Just realised I got the wrong screws, so bear with me a second. Once I find the screw bag, it is. I want the longer ones. There we go. Okay, so in the side there, do them up hand tight for now. Just lost a screw onto my seat. Sorry guys, I'm trying to find it and not lose it. Let's get this out of the way. Okay. Okay, so let's do it up. Lost everything now. Where's my screwdriver gone? A better one. I always use this one here. Probably just out of my vision. But you'd be screaming at me, it's like, "It's there, you stupid idiot!" Sorry, couldn't say it. Really couldn't. If you can. Now just the final tightening of the screws to make sure it's properly in there. There you go. There it is mounted. Okay. I may end up putting it in the middle. I'm just going to see where it gets more airflow first before I finalise where I'm going to put it. But there you go, there's the Western Digital terabyte being put into the Antec 1200 cage. So thanks for watching the video, and more on the way.